अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय न्यू वीडियो। आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट। सो आज हम लोग बनाएंगे बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्यूट सा ये क्रोशे फ्लावर। इफ़ यू आर बिगनर्स सो दिस वीडियो इज़ एब्सोल्युटली फॉर यू। इफ़ you are new on my channel, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so whenever I upload new video you will get the notification. So this is all we need to make our cute mini flower. So let's start the video. So firstly we have to make magic ring. Just hold a yarn like this and wrap it around your two fingers and make a cross. Now we have two yarns over here and we have to insert the hook like this and pull up a loop. I am doing it very slowly just to let you know everything very clearly, and our magic ring is ready. This is how we supposed to make magic ring. Now we have to make chain 2. So this is our chain 1, and like this we have to make second chain. Yarn over and pull through the loop. So our second chain is also ready. Now we have to make one double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into the magic ring and pull up a yarn like this. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Then yarn over, insert your hook into the first 2 loops only. Now again yarn over, insert your hook into the other loops. Now we have to make 2 chain, 1 and 2. Now we have to make slip stitch. Insert your hook into the magic ring and pull up a loop. Now we have 2 loops on the hook. Now pull through the other loop. Now pull the magic ring yarn and our first petal is ready. So like this we have to make other petals. So we are making 5 petal flower. So our first petal is ready. Now we have to make other 4 petals. So firstly we have to make 2 chain. Now we have to make 1 double crochet. Firstly yarn over, insert your hook into the magic ring and yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on the hook. Then yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have to again yarn over and pull through the other loop. Now we have to make 2 chains. And we have to make a slip stitch into the magic ring. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Now we have 2 loops on the hook, then pull through the other loop. So our second petal is also ready. Like this we have to do. In the last petal we have to make a strip stitch, and now we have to make one chain and pull up a yarn. Now cut the yarn. Now we have to pull the yarn which we have made it while making the magic rain. Now we have to make a knot. So our cute little flower is ready. If you want flower like this, you can use it like this. If you want to add a bead, so I'm gonna tell you how to add a bead. So we need a bead and a darning needle. We have to insert the longer yarn in the needle. At last we have to make a knot. So our cute little flower is ready. I hope you liked my video. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so whenever I upload new video you will get the notification. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Bye bye. See you all in my next video.